timer starts now. Ha! Come on. Let's go. 8 seconds. 9. Come on. You need to beat Chris Malin and Jossel's time. Dawag mo kasi ng Jossel. Maggulang bagay ka kaysa nila. You need to be strong. Because you are the stepsister. Ay, stepsister.
Tapos giday. Ito ba kayo sakit? Uy, 5 seconds lang. Kuhan ni pahulay.
Si tawa na, older sister. Stepsister. You know? Let's go. 44. 45. Come on, let's go, Juday. You can do it. Huh? Ang tuhod? Hiwi, masiguro ang tuhod. Oh. Stop the timer.